Welcome askcollege.com. We have here a small exercise that is Wortsuche, word search. So we need to find at least 15 words here in this exercise. You can also help me to find these words. If you know, you can write them. I will write here one by one. So first two words are highlighted here. That is nicht prima. And then we have here first one, mine. The very next with that is Z, that you can use as a formal or informal. Formal you, or you can say you can use it as a she also. First person, sorry, third person singular, or we can use as a plural also. Z, that means they. This is personal pronoun. So the next word we can try to find here is the second row, gate. As gate, for example, and this is gate S. Ausgezeichnet, that means excellent. Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you? So I can reply, ich bin ausgezeichnet. I can write here. So this is the whole third row. Ausgezeichnet. That means excellent. In the fourth row, we have this one, wirklich. Really. Wirklich. Really. And then we have in the fifth row, that is the last one, noch. Here we have this one, noch, that means still. And then the very next one, we can find here a word, heute, that means today, heute. And now we can check this vertical also. The first is here, gut, good, good, good. And I can find word here also. If you realize this one, aus, that is a preposition, aus. And then in the last row, here we have the, t, the, t, I, egg. So very small word, I, egg. And then we can also write here, maybe we have these 15 words now. If you count, I think we have written this 15. So if you have written few words that are different than we have mentioned here, you can mention. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.